Okay, so touchdown Padang Bay. Now I'm trying to find a hostel called Barracuda. Barracuda. Barracuda, eh? Good morning, it's now another day, another dawn, another day to create opportunities and enjoy life. Wizard. Wizard, squirrel! But now we're going to this waterfall in the cave. I hope it's not busy. I think it could be busy, but oh, imagine if you had like a little donut ring. Oh, it's a big cobweb. Imagine if you had that. It's a cool tree. Imagine if you imagine if you had like a little donut and just like went all the way down here. That'd be so fucking sick. Oh. That's the cave. That's the cave for the waterfall. Go away. Fucking love waterfalls, man. Barefoot because freaking sandals are rubbing against my toe. It's ouchy, sore. But this place looks absolutely insane. You can just hear everyone just shouting. So we'll get to the bottom.
I know it's been a while, cause my memory's on trial for the way.
Okay, so that was an absolutely insane waterfall. I can hear people screaming down here, and I am very tempted to take my chances, go down here where no one else goes. Yo, what's up guys? Now, if you guys know me, my name is Stephen. I will be travelling the world anywhere between now and a lifetime. I'm currently in Padang Bay. It's been nice here, but now I'm on a shuttle bus heading to Ubud, I think. I hope I'm saying it right, so enjoy the journey, stay tuned. I also think I should start giving eye contact